Can you fail a transcription test online? Yes, very true. Actually, I advise that you must fail. You should fail for you to succeed in transcription. You should fail a test. Why do I say that? When you fail a test, when you fail to do something, you go back and you learn, you redo it. We all know when you redo something, you get better at it. When you continue to do something once a day, twice a day, you learn something. And if you read more about something, you learn something. So transcription will never be easy for you. If you go the first time you subscribe, the first time you register, and then you pass, it will not be easy for you. When you go inside there, then you learn like, oh, this you don't know. It's better you fail, because that will teach you what you need to know, what you need to learn. All that is good. When you fail something, don't beat yourself up. Success comes with failure. People who have succeeded in life, they have failed all the time. So you're not the first one to fail, you're not the first one to pass. So rejoice in every situation. So today in here, I'm going to challenge you that there is a website called Scribie, and this one is a very good website for you. Specifically, if you're staying after this time of the video, I want to tell you something. Subscribe to this channel. You're going to get a lot of content. You're going to get a lot of knowledge about this field of transcription. So why am I saying that? So here, this is a website, for example. This is called Scribie, and we are going to go through it. Something I want you to be very keen and listen very carefully. Follow me, follow my steps, follow what I'm saying, follow what I'm doing, and you'll succeed in this life. So if you go on top of this, they're saying audio and video transcription. So these people are going to pay you for transcribing, for writing for them. You listen to an audio, then you write that down. But this website has automatic software that is going to do the work for you. All you're going to do is do the editing. We convert spoken audio to text. Yeah, very clean sheet. So don't worry. Pay as you go. Per minute of the audio you get paid. You see here, automated. 0.1 per minute, manual 0.8 per minute. So it's really easy. So here, if you scroll down here, I'm going to show you something that is very unique. When you go here and then you one thing I would want to do is go to the blogs. You see here, then you see this one here. When I click on this, you're going to say that they have answered questions that people have asked. Transcription, audio versus person hours, the difference, how we handle the audio, like all this are here, the payment automated, and then also manual is here. Manual means like you're going to write it with a pen, like personally you're going to hear the audio, then you're going to transcribe. Automatic means you're going to assist you with the software. So if you go back to in here, then you scroll down. This is hassle free, no free service. So just to know, so here, let's just go up. We are going to, for us, we want to do transcription. Yeah, when you want to do transcription, you go direct. You want to do the job. So let me just take you in there, and then I show you. I'm looking for where they're saying apply hassle free, freelancer. I'm going to look for freelancer, which is this one here. So when you're here, what is transcription? They answer the questions. Listen, correct, get paid. Listen, required skills are listening abilities and good comprehensive English. And then the correction is here. You apply the text, identify the mistakes, and correct the automated transcription. Yeah. Then you earn 5 to 20%, not 20%, $20 per audio hour are paid into directly into your PayPal account. So this is so easy. So this is the website here we have for you. Top reasons to sign up: work from home and money per hour, which is we all want. We all here for automatic transcription, but this takes work. Don't come here and think you're going to get rich within one day, and that is not going to work for you. So here the two parts here. When you come here, top reasons you should sign up. On the bottom you see sign up and start earning. So this is the trick. It's not a trick actually, it's an idea. Number one, if this is your first time to watch this video, sign up to my channel by subscribing, watch all my videos, watch my tutorials. Number two, don't just click sign up and start earning. This is for people who have gone to school. These are people who have watched these videos. All of them have learned. These are people who have really researched. These are people who have practiced and failed, and they are coming back to repeat until they pass. For you, if you're new here, my dear, my friend, my father, my brother, my sister, my best friend, click this button. Don't click this one. You will fail. You will fail the test. Press this one here. When you press this button here, you're going to come back to this video and thank me yourself. You will type on the bottom and say, my friend, you helped me. I pressed the right button. Like me, I've pressed this one and I'm going to go to it. So they'll take you to this one. This is called a practice file. Practice files are real audios that you can practice. The instructions are here. Click on the blue button, play button to preview the audio, quality, accent, everything is here. Press F10 and listen for 5 seconds. Press F10 again to pause and type what you listen or what you hear. Repeat the process for the rest of the file. Press F7 to go back and 12 to insert a blank for the inaudible parts. Like when someone is not speaking, that's inaudible. Spell check will be started automatically on the submit and has to be completed in order to finish. On submission, your transcript will be compared with our version and the difference will be shown. Look at the major changes and evaluate at the accuracy yourself. Please use supported browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. Please note that these files are provided for practice and are not representatives of actual test files. Actual test files are much harder. So my friend, that's why I said come here first. Don't press the sign up button before you even do this. So for example, I'm going to press this one. I hear this. Let me just select this. This is 6 minutes. Now let me look at something small. Let me press this on the phone to select this one. So they're going to take me to this windows here. So this is actually how it looks even when you're transcribing in real life. So if you can pass this test, trust me, even the other one is going to be easy for you. Very, very, very easy for you. So this one is loading. I don't know why it's taking so long, but my friends, I repeat this again. Go and practice. So here you go. So again here they're saying please type the transcript. Okay. Yes. Let me just close this. The blue button. So it's still loading actually, as we see. It's still loading. So the audio is starting. Audio player is ready. So let me just press this.
Back then, yeah. Those were simpler times, I think. I just feel like we may be going back to.
You see that? Then I say, you just write anything you hear. Just, this is really serious. This is good. And it works. It works. So 4 minutes, you'll be pausing, you'll be rewinding, then you submit here. Yeah, there's this button here, compare transcription, set up foot pedals, like configure shortcuts, like they're all here. You can do it yourself here. So this is how it is. So if you do this one, you close this one, go for number 3. I encourage you to do all of them. When you do all of them, probably you learn all. And if you're a transcriber, you know this. If you just do one, you might not make it. But if you do all, 100%. You will make it. 99%. You will make it. So this is transcription for you. Please, if you're done with this all, please go back home. Go direct. Again, go to freelancers. When you go there, they'll take you to where you can sign up, get started. Read very carefully if you understand. If you don't understand something, research again. Then this is everything. This is the material knowledge you want to learn about. So here this thing, sign up and start earning. So you fill out this simple form here and you submit, and boom, you will have a job. You will have a job. And how much will you be earning? A lot of money, my friends. A lot of money. So if you to click in here and then you see how much money you'll be earning. Let me just go back to transcribe. Then I want to take you to the audio part of it. How much you're going to earn. How much are you going to earn? Yeah. Come on, baby. Here we go. Let me restart this. I want to sign up. Here. So for beginner is this one, intermediate is this one, advanced is this one, and all these figures are per month. Per month 400, per month 800, per month $1,600. All this is dollars. So see you again in my next video. Bye. Signing out. Like the video, comment, come back and watch. Let's learn together. Thank you.